There are two ways to say good morning in Igbo. One is ụtụtụ, a direct translation. Morning good. It is tidy, functional. It is English grammar wearing an Igbo mask. But the other is an ancient inquiry into the state of your soul. Ndewo. No. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops. Yvonne Mbanefo. Today is episode 1, The Emergence. We begin where every Igbo day begins, the dawn, with a question that is not really about the morning at all. Ka anyị bido. Let us start together. Today's guiding proverb is Mgbe onye tetara bụ ụtụtụ ya. Mgbe onye tetara bụ ụtụtụ ya. When one wakes up is their morning. This is not about the clock. This proverb is for the late starter, the one reclaiming what was set aside, the one pressing play on this episode right now. Your start is not dictated by anyone else's timeline. You are waking up, and because you are waking up, it is morning. By the end of today, you will be able to ask the ancient Igbo morning greeting, bọọla. Respond with confidence, bọọla m, and then introduce yourself. Aha m bụ Owerri, 2024. Chioma, 19 years old, born in the grey bustle of Lewisham, London, standing in her grandmother's compound for the first time. Air is heavy with wood smoke and ripening guava. Mama Nnukwu walks towards her. The rhythmic thumb tap of her mahogany walking stick against the packed earth. Her eyes are lined with stories. Chioma's heart is hammering. She has her few words of Igbo lined up like nervous soldiers. Mama Nnukwu stops, searches Chioma's face, breathes, Ibolachi. Chioma freezes. She expected a greeting. She received a question about her existence. In the Igbo worldview, the night is a passage, a place of mystery where return is never guaranteed. When you meet at daybreak, you do not ask, is the morning good? You ask, did you make it back? Did you emerge with the light? Chioma takes a deep breath, reaches back through generations. She whispers, then stronger. Abọọla m. Yes, I have emerged. In that 30-second exchange, the distance of the Atlantic vanished. Chioma was not a visitor anymore. She was a descendant reclaiming her place in the dawn. That moment has a name in Igbo scholarship. Chinua Achebe, in his 1975 collection of essays, Morning Yet on Creation Day, reflected on the Igbo sense of renewal and duality, the belief that every dawn represents another meeting between one's chi and the material world. The Igbo world, Achebe noted, moves between opposites, spirit and matter, night and emergence. So when Chioma answered Ibolachi, she was not just saying good morning, she was acknowledging that her life force had found its way back through the night to the living world. In that sense, every morning greeting in Igbo is, as Achebe might suggest, a sacred ritual of presence. So, let's put this into words. Here are today's 3 sentences, your first 3 drops. Number 1, bọọla chi. Bọọla chi. Have you emerged with the dawn? So this is your morning greeting. You say it to anyone you meet at daybreak. Family, friend, elder. It replaces good morning with something far deeper. This is not small talk. It's an ancient inquiry. Have you returned? Are you here? We see you. Bọọla chi. Bọọla chi. Your turn. Again, bọọla chi. Now build on that. Number 2, abọọla m chi. Abọọla m chi. Yes, I have emerged with the dawn. So this is your response when someone greets you with bọọla chi. This is how you answer. You say it with your full chest. You survive the night. Abọọla m chi. Abọọla m chi. Your turn. Abọọla m chi. Number 3, aha m bụ. Aha m bụ. My name is. So after greeting, you introduce yourself. Aha m bụ Yvonne. Aha m bụ, then your name. Aha m bụ. Aha m bụ Yvonne. Your turn. Aha m bụ. So now let us hear all 3 together. The conversation Chioma had at dawn. So Mama Nnukwu says bọọla chi. Chioma, abọọla m chi. Then Mama Nnukwu, kedu aha gị? Chioma, aha m bụ Chioma. So Mama Nnukwu is saying, bọọla chi, have you emerged with the dawn? Chioma answered, abọọla m chi. Yes, I have emerged. And then Mama Nnukwu is asking, kedu aha gị? What is your name? And Chioma is answering with, aha m bụ Chioma. My name is Chioma. 3 sentences, 1 granddaughter finding her way home. If that exchange felt like something you want more of, if you are ready to go beyond 3 sentences a day and actually speak Igbo with confidence, join us at the Igbo Village. It's our 12-month program for adults and families on the same mission, to speak Igbo fluently together. You can find out more at learnigbonow.com. Kachi gị du oge ọfụma taa. May your chi lead you well today. Ya gaziere gị. May it go well for you. Tomorrow morning, before the phone, before the news, before anything, say bọọla chi to someone, not as a lesson, but as a greeting. Download your free practice workbook at www.learnigbonow.com. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. This abụ nwanne gị nwanyị, Yvonne Mbanefo. I am your sister, Yvonne Mbanefo. Keep learning, keep speaking, and remember, progress always beats perfection.